This is the story of the bird who kept the sky's secret. High up in the mountains lived an old man and his son. They were poor, and their only hope to make some money was to sell wood from their trees. But one day, the old man went into the forest to cut wood and saw a beautiful blue bird with golden wings sitting on a tree. The bird looked sad. "Why are you so sad?" asked the old man. "Because," said the bird, "I have a golden feather that has fallen out, and I can't fly without it." "Don't worry," said the old man. "I'll cut you a new feather from this tree." And he did. He cut a feather from the tree and gave it to the bird. "Thank you," said the bird. "Now let me give you a gift for your kindness." And with that, the bird flew up to the sky and disappeared. The old man thought that was strange. "I wonder what my gift will be." Then he heard a voice in his head say, "You will have whatever you wish for as long as you keep my secret." The old man thought about all the gold and silver he could get, but then he thought, "No, I already have enough of that. I don't want riches. Instead, I want to know what will happen to me after I die." The voice said, "That is a very good question, but only the bird who kept the sky's secret knows the answer. To find her, you must follow the North Star and walk until you see a river of light. There you will find the bird who will answer your question." So the old man thanked the voice and went home. He told his son everything that had happened, and together they followed the North Star to find the river of light. It was a long journey, but finally they saw it, a river of sparkling light flowing through the darkness. Sitting on a rock by the river was the most beautiful bird they had ever seen. She had feathers as blue as the sky and wings that shone like gold. The old man knew this was the bird who kept the sky's secret. He told her about the voice and how it had sent him to her, and he asked her, "Please tell me what will happen to me when I die." The bird thought for a moment. "I am the bird who keeps the sky's secret, and secrets like this I do not share." "Ah, please," said the old man, "I need to know." "Very well," said the bird. "Since you wish to know the secret, here is what will happen. After you die, your soul will go to a place where there is neither darkness nor pain. It will be a place of peace. All you have to do is believe in it." The old man and his son were deeply touched by the bird's answer. On their way back home, the old man said to his son, "Now that I know what will happen to me after I die, I am no longer afraid. In fact, I feel as if I could die right now." Then the old man felt a pain in his chest, and he died right there in his son's arms. The son was very upset, but he remembered the bird's words about going to a peaceful place. So he closed his father's eyes, laid him down under a tree, and went to find some food. When he returned, he saw that his father's body had disappeared. In its place was a small box. He opened it and found a beautiful blue feather. It was the same shade of blue as the sky. The boy put the feather in his pocket and walked towards the river of light. When the bird saw him coming, she asked, "What do you want?" The boy told her about the feather and asked, "Is this my father's present from the voice?" "Yes," said the bird. "It is the voice's way of thanking you for taking care of your father until the end." Then the bird added, "Since you are kind and loving, you will have whatever you wish for." "Oh," said the boy, "I just want to be able to understand my father's words. He always used to talk in riddles and parables, but now I can't understand what he's saying." The bird who kept the sky's secret granted his wish, and so the boy understood every word his father had ever said. And that is why whenever you hear the sound of running water or see a shooting star, remember the story of the boy who kept the sky's secret, and ask yourself, are you listening to the sound of running water or watching a shooting star? Or is it just the sound of running water and a shooting star?